Hi guys, Faisal here. So here are the first videos and photos of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra flagship camera. The impressive Samsung 3D projection were also sold too early. It is not uncommon for Samsung to hype up major production launches with innovative marketing techniques. The company is preparing to launch the Galaxy S23 line and the Galaxy Book 3 lineups on February 1st. And it has set up an impressive 3D projection in Italy to tease its upcoming high-end smartphone after an early honor of a Galaxy S23 Ultra from Nicaragua. Published night shots and some zoom shots on Twitter a few days ago further visual material from core cam of the Samsung Galaxy flagship is now followed on Instagram and YouTube, including the first video partly also created with 8K 30 FPS. Anyone who has followed the legs of the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in recent days will already know the name. It was Albina. He is one of those lucky owners of the Galaxy S23 Ultra models, sold only in Nicaragua after local dealers there apparently received a lot of the coveted Samsung flagship and sold is right away well before the official start of sales. We have already reported to us about photos from the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera that the early Galaxy S23 Ultra owner published on his Twitter channel, but most of these posts have nice disappeared, possibly a targeted DMCA attack by the manufacturer. As an alternative, the user other social media channels are now in focus if you want to continue to follow his posts. For example, Edwards has uploaded the first video samples from the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera to his new YouTube channel. The first was even created in the new 8K 30 FPS mode of the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. However, all three can only be seen on YouTube with a maximum of 4K 60 FPS video. On the other hand, in Milan, Italy, Samsung has set up an impressive looking 3D video projection system in its build. That's called Samsung District. The Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will be unveiled on February 1st, 2023. During the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event in the US, the upcoming phones are expected to bring much faster performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 massive storage. Low light imaging and video quality have been increased, and the three upcoming phones could feature an upgraded selfie camera capable of recording 4K 60 FPS HDR videos. Take care of yourself until the next video. Until then, subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future for more updates.